Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay, tap Add Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. First, let's enter Transit Pass and select the Transit Pass you'd like to add. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Now let's go to Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Select Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, and similar to loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and select Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.